got a big butt.
I know.
I'll just pussyfoot on down, don't mind me. You were like a turtle. You went all the way back on your shell. Whoop.
That was funny.
Oh,
She's gonna do it again.
We'll let you blaze the way.
She made the turn and everything. That's gonna be great footage.
Look at that trail.
Dang it, that was fun.
You
Me-
need slicker pants, Jen.
I need slicker pants, or I think you're partly using your backpack.
It's right here.
That's the sweet spot, huh?
That's the sweet spot where all that padding is.
Oh man.
Whoa! Alright, here we go.
No way. I got some great footage now.
I messed it up for you guys, sorry.
She went right down her own homemade luge.
I told you I got a lot of padding. Come on, there you go.
Ow!
Pick your feet up. Like boat pose.
I don't like the rocks. That's my problem. I'm a big old wussy. Ugh. Well, hey, I did halfway.
There you go.
There you go.
Yay!
I may also have injured my tailbone, but that's another story.
That's fine.
That's funny.
a little house right there. How cute is that one?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Cute.